Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Tiffany. I'm going to do a tutorial today on this look. If you like to watch and know how to do this look, continue on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's start off. I'm going to go ahead and use the Kat Von D primer. And I do like putting my primer before I go ahead and start with my eyes, only because it'll create a tackiness. Then I'm going to go ahead and take that Essence Eye Primer and put that all over the lid. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Ofra Must Have Matte. I'm going to go ahead and put a picture above. There is no names to the colors here. This look will be looking like an army green color. So you notice I am wearing an army green shirt. I do have a little obsession with that color. So here I go ahead and take the lightest brown shade. I sweep it all over my crease area. And then I go ahead and take the lightest green shade and I start sweeping it right below that crease color that I put in. Now I go ahead and take the darkest green color and only to give that lighter green color more depth. Now with the detail brush, I'm going to go ahead and take that darker brown color and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the outer corner, giving the look more definition. Now I'm going to go into the Subculture Palette and take the color Adorn, which is a gold metallic eyeshadow, and sweep that on the inner parts of my lid. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a bigger brush and blend everything in. For foundation, I'm going to use the Kat Von D foundation in medium warm, and as you can see, I do dot it all over the face and my neck. I am using the Royal Langnickel Motor brush. It is for foundation, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that in. So I do take my L'Oreal blending sponge and I go in and pat that into my face, only so there's no leftover streaking marks of the foundation brush, because this is a thick foundation. Then I take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, highlight the under eyes, forehead, chin, and nose. Now we're going to go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Mocha. You're going to go ahead and blend that in. You can use any brush. I went in with the Real Techniques contour brush. This is a very blendable formula and very easy to blend in. Now before I do set my face, I am going to go ahead and use the Milk Makeup Holographic Stick. I believe this is like a peach color. Now to set my face, I am using the Studio Makeup setting powder. And I am using that with my Kat Von D setting powder brush. Great brush to have. So I take the Essence Mosaic blush and I brush that all over my cheek areas. Do go in with the Kokie contour palette to contour my cheeks, forehead, and my jawline. Mascara, I go ahead and use the Essence mascara, and I do pull the eyelashes up and roll them only to give the illusion of longer lashes. So I did do my eyebrows off camera, but I did use the Benefit Brow Pencil. I go in with the Catrice Single Eyeshadow. It's a liquid metal. The name is We Are the Champagnes, and I highlight the inner corners and my eyebrow bone. Now for the best part of any makeup look, I go ahead and use the Huda Beauty highlighter palette. And I highlight the high point above my eyebrows and my chin. Here I use the Spanish Earth lipstick shade. Then I go in with my Tatcha Dewy setting spray, and then I take my powder puff and pat that in. So guys, this is the end, and I hope you did enjoy watching this video with me. If you would like to watch more videos from me, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that alarm button so you know when to watch my videos or when I upload. And thank you for watching. Bye.